Okay, student, now today we solve question number 6. In triangle ABC, BM perpendicular to AC it is given and CN perpendicular to AB it is given. So that AB upon AC is equal BM upon CN is equal EM upon EN. Okay, means one triangle ABC is given and it is given that BM perpendicular to AC and CN perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular means this angle EMB and angle BMC will be 90-90, and CN perpendicular to AB means this angle is equal 90 degree. Okay, now we take two triangles, triangle ABM and triangle ANC. First we take two triangle ABM and triangle ANC, and we prove both triangle are similar or not. So first angle AMB is equal angle ANC, both are 90. Angle AMB is equal ANC, both are 90 degree, it is given. Then the second, this angle is common in both the triangle BAM, this angle BAM, and in triangle ANC, this angle A is common in both the triangle. BAM is equal CAM, common angle. Okay, so two angles are common, two angles are equal. First angle is this and second common. So by angle criteria, both triangle are similar to each other. Okay, in angle criteria, two angles are equal. That's why both triangle ABM and triangle ACN are similar to each other. Now we use the property of similarity. Means if two triangles are similar, then their ratio will be the ratio of side will be equal. So ये 90 है, ये 90, इस 90 के अपोजिट क्या है AC, इस 90 के अपोजिट क्या है AB. So AB upon AC. This angle A is common. So opposite of this is BM and opposite of this is NC. In triangle ABM, angle A के अपोजिट क्या है BM, और in triangle ANC, A के अपोजिट क्या है NC. So BM upon CN. And the third angle is this. So this angle is equal this angle. If two angles are equal in the similar triangle, then the third angle will also be equal. So opposite of this is EN and opposite of this is EN. So EM upon EN. So hence proof. यही हमको proof करना था. So AB upon AC is equal BM upon CN is equal EM upon EN. Okay, understood? Okay, now we solve question number 8. In the given figure, it is given that AD is equal AE, though both sides are equal, and this condition is given, AD square is equal BD into AC. Okay, we have to prove that this triangle and this triangle ADB and triangle AEC, both are similar to each other. Okay, you know that the property of isosceles triangle is if two sides are equal, then their base angle will be equal. Suppose this angle is x and x, both will be equal because both sides are equal. So 180 minus x is equal, this is 180 minus x, remaining angle, because it is a straight line angle 180. Now this is also 180 minus x, this is 180 minus x, and this is 180 minus x. It means both are equal. Now this condition is given in the question, AD square is equal BD into AC. So AD upon BD को यहाँ डिवाइड कर देंगे, and 1 AD comes this side, so EC upon AD. Now question, it is given that AD is equal AE, so in place of AD you can write AE. Now AD upon BD is equal EC upon AE, means AD upon BD is equal AE upon EC. It is given that AD upon BD is equal EC upon AE. AD upon BD is equal EC upon AE, and this angle is equal 180 minus x and 180 minus x. So the angle ADB is equal angle AEC is equal 180 minus x. So this is the side angle side. ratio are equal, two ratio are equal, and one angle are equal. So side angle side, this is the side angle side property. So both triangle are similar to each other. Triangle ABD is equal, similar to the triangle CEA. Means ratio are equal and angles are equal. One angle equals side angle side. So both triangle are similar to each other. Okay, now we solve question number 13. This question is very important. Okay, so D is a point on the side BC is given, and it is given that this angle ADC is equal angle BAC. It is given in the question. Angle ADC is equal, this angle is equal this angle. Now we take two triangle, triangle ADC and triangle ABC, and we prove that both are similar or not. Okay, so first this angle is given in the question, ADC is equal BAC, and this angle is common in both the triangle. In triangle ADC, this angle is C, and in triangle ABC, angle C, means both angles are common. So angle ACD is equal angle ACB, common angle. So by angle criteria, both triangle are similar to each other. Means triangle ADC similar to the triangle BAC. Okay, now we use the property of similarity by the corresponding angles. This angle is equal this angle, तो इसके अपोजिट साइड क्या है AC मीन CA, और ये वाला एंगल किसके इक्वल है A के, तो इसके अपोजिट साइड क्या है ट्राइंगल ABC में BC, सो CA अपॉन BC इज इक्वल CD, मीन्स this angle is equal this angle, third angle, because this angle is equal this angle common, the third angle is this and the third angle this, तो इसके अपोजिट साइड क्या है CD और इसके अपोजिट साइड क्या है CA, तो CD अपॉन CA मीन जो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स होंगी, जैसे कि क्लास 9th में कॉन्ग्रुएंसी में था ना CPCT, उसी तरह अगर जो एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे उनके अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होगी, तो CA अपॉन BC इज इक्वल CD अपॉन CA. नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, so CA square is equal BC into CD. Okay, now we solve question number 16. It is also a very important question. It is given that ABCD is a rhombus and CVR and DPR are the straight line. Okay, you know what is the property of the rhombus? In a rhombus all four sides are equal, means DA equal DC equal AB equal BC, this side equal this side equal this side equal this side, all four sides are equal and the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay, so we take two triangle APD and triangle PCR, this triangle and this triangle. So this angle is equal this angle, vertically opposite angle, this angle is equal this angle, vertically opposite angle, and this angle is equal this angle, interior alternative angle. Why? Because in a rhombus opposite sides are parallel to each other, means ED parallel to BC, this line is parallel to this line, so that's why this angle is equal this angle, interior alternative angle. So by angle property, because two angles are equal, first DPA is equal RPC, vertically opposite angle, and second DAP is equal PCR, alternative angle, interior alternative, because the lines are parallel. So by angle property, both triangles are similar to each other. So by using the similarity property, DP upon this angle equal this angle, so opposite of this is DP and opposite of this PR, so DP upon PR is equal DA. इस वर्टिकली अपोजिट के अपोजिट क्या है DA, और इस वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल के अपोजिट क्या है CR, so DA upon CR. Now we know that DA is equal DC because it is a rhombus, so in place of DA write DC, DA is equal DC, so in place of DA write DC because it is a rhombus. Now cross multiply, so DP into CR equal DC into PR, hence proved. ये प्रूव करना था. Okay, now we solve question number 21. Question number 21 is this one quadrilateral. The diagonal intersect at E point and this ratio is given. AE upon EC is equal BE upon ED. It is given. AE upon EC is equal BE upon ED. This ratio is given in the question, and we know that this vertically opposite angle equal means angle AEB is equal angle CED. Both are equal because of vertically opposite angle. So this is the property of side angle side, because ratio are given in two sides and one angle is given. So side angle side, both triangle are similar to each other. This triangle is similar to this triangle. Triangle AEB similar to triangle CED. If both the triangle are similar to each other, means their corresponding angles will also be equal. Okay, that means angle EAB is equal angle ECD, and this angle is equal this angle. अल्टरनेट ये कब पॉसिबल होगा, जब ये क्या होंगे, अल्टरनेट एंगल होंगे, इंटीरियर अल्टरनेटिव एंगल. अब इफ इंटीरियर अल्टरनेटिव एंगल आर इक्वल, दैट मीन्स बोथ लाइंस आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर, मीन्स AB पैरेलल टू CD. ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है, ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है. जब एंगल इक्वल है, दैट मीन्स साइड AB पैरेलल टू द साइड CD, दैट मीन्स it is a trapezium, because trapezium की कंडीशन क्या होती है, one pair of opposite side are parallel to each other, then it will be a trapezium. So this quadrilateral will be a trapezium. Okay, now we solve question number 27. This angle is given 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. Okay, both are 90 given. This 3.5 given QM and QR is given 8 centimeter. So we take two triangle PQR whole triangle and this PMR triangle. So first condition is both QPR and PMR 90 degree. This angle is equal to this angle 90 degree, and this angle is common in both the triangle. So PRQ is equal to PRM, common. Now by angle property, both triangle are similar to each other. So triangle PQR similar to triangle MPR. So we use the similarity property, means QR upon PR is equal PR upon MR. So now cross multiply. So PR square is equal to QR into MR. QR is given 8 and MR 8 minus 3.5. 8 minus 3.5 is equal 4.5. So MR is equal 4.5. So 8 into 4.5 is equal 36. PR square is equal 36. So PR is equal square root of 36 is equal 6. Means PR will be 6. Okay, note down this question. Okay.